friends, in this video I'm going to do unboxing of Apple EARPODS. First of all, I want to tell you something. Some people also called it earphones, but it is EARPODS, not earphones. Okay, so let's start the video. So as you can see, here it is written that designed by Apple in California. So along with this they also given us a guide. In this guide they tell us how to connect these earpods with any iOS device, for example with any iPad, any iOS mobile. So this all, so keep it tight. As you can see, it is fully wrapped. Firstly we have to unwrap it. Just a sec. So here it is. You can see it is looking so pretty, literally incredible. With this we also get something more, that is the Apple original cable. Wow, it's good. So let's talk about its price. Its price in market, I think, must be 10,000 rupees, or any other social site its price must be 10,000 or not less than 10,000, I want to say. But I want to tell you something. I want this earpods just in rupees 5,000. Yeah, it's true. I will also show you the bill. Just a sec. Here it is. If you also want it, I will truly mention the address in the descriptions. From there you can buy it if you want. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, you can press the like button and also subscribe my channel. And in next video I am going to tell you how to connect this earpods with any iOS device. Okay, that's all. Thank you.